So in this video, we will be demonstrating how to add resource and activities for a particular course on UMS. Similar to addition of assignment and quiz, we can also add the resources on UMS like books, files and folders. So first let us start by adding a book. For this, log into your UMS account. So this is the dashboard of faculty. Click on the course for which you want to add a book. It will navigate you to the course page. Here from the top right corner, click on Turn Editing On and then click on Add an Activity or Resource. From this pop-up window, select the radio button against book and click on Add. So the book resources helps to create a multi-page resources with chapter and subfolders like a normal printed book. Here you can add links, illustrations and any other resources. For adding a book, you need to enter some mandatory fields here. First, give the name of the book. Let's say class notes. And add a description. And check the box here against display description on course page. In the field appearance, you can decide the chapter formatting, whether it should be in numbers, bullets or indented. And you can even change the style of navigation by selecting here from the drop down table of contents only, images or text. Next is in restrict access. You can add the restriction here. For example, if you want to restrict the resource for a particular section or you want to share it with more than one section of your choice, like we have explained for assignment. For this, click on this add restriction button here. From this pop-up window, select group and choose the group. Then again, if you want to add one more section, then click on this add restriction button and follow the same process. One thing remember here that you have to select any here in the second option. Students must match any of the following, either section A or B. And then click on Save and Display button. So next, if you want to add a chapter in the book, you have to enter the fields here. Enter the chapter title. In the content here, you can add or paste the content from external website. Or you can even add the link URL here by clicking on this button. And you can enter the URL here. Let's say you can also add a image from any of your repositories. For this, click on This insert or edit image and click on this browse repositories. Here you have to choose the file. You can give the name to the image. And click on upload this file. And then click on save image. You can see the image here in the content with the URL. This is how you can create the first chapter. Click on Save Changes button. You can see that the chapter 1 is created under the book class notes. Here from the right, you can even hide the chapter by clicking on this I button, or you can delete it, or you can even modify it by clicking on this edit button. Make suitable changes here and click on Save Changes button. And also for adding another chapter, you can click on this Add button. Give the chapter a title, say Title 1. If you want to make the chapter as a subchapter, then click on this checkbox. Add the content here in the same way and click on Save Changes button. You can see here in the right, this Title 1 subchapter is created under the chapter. In the same way, you can add more chapters for the complete book. Thank you.